Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Apple Watch Series 7. Here are its features. Watch Series 7. Full screen ahead. Largest, most advanced display yet. Most durable Apple Watch ever. Breakthrough health innovations. Up to 33% faster charging. 5 all-new aluminum colors. Big screen. Huge impact. The larger display enhances the entire experience, making Apple Watch easier to use and read. Series 7 represents our biggest and brightest thinking yet. Physics be damned. The display was completely re-engineered, reducing the borders by 40%, which allows for nearly 20% more screen area than Series 6, and over 50% more screen area than Series 3. That's something to smile about. Always on Retina display. A brighter view of you. You don't need to raise your wrist or touch the screen to see the time or other information and complications on your watch face, because the display is always on. Smooth and continuous. The edge of design. A subtle wraparound effect is created by refracted light at the edge of the display for a seamless integration with the case. Tap, type, swipe. Easy on the eyes, easy on the fingers. Displaying calculator app. Across the system, buttons have been redesigned to take advantage of the larger display, so using apps like calculator, stopwatch, and timer is easier than ever. Displaying quick path feature. An Apple Watch first. A new QWERTY keyboard lets you tap or slide from letter to letter with quick path. It uses machine learning to predict the word you're typing. Displaying scribble feature. Use Scribble to write letters on your screen and compose a text or email. The larger display makes it faster and easier for all finger types. Series 7 is the most durable Apple Watch ever built. Crack resistant. Our strongest front crystal ever. Dust resistant. IP6X certification. Water resistant. Swim-proof with WR50 water resistance. Tougher around the clock. 50% thicker front crystal. The front crystal is over twice as thick at its tallest point than Apple Watch Series 6, adding strength and durability. Robust geometry. The front crystal has been redesigned with a flat base, creating a sturdier shape more resistant to cracks. OLED display. The touch sensor has been integrated onto the OLED panel, creating one unified component and reducing display thickness and borders. The future of health. On full display. Measure your blood oxygen level with a revolutionary sensor and app. Take an ECG anytime, anywhere. Check your heart rate. Along with other innovations like mindfulness and sleep tracking to keep you healthy from head to toe. Take an ECG at any time. With the ECG app, Apple Watch Series 7 is capable of generating an ECG similar to a single-lead electrocardiogram. It's a momentous achievement for a wearable device that can provide critical data for doctors and peace of mind for you. Dream Machine. The sleep app doesn't just keep track of your sleep. It also helps you create a schedule and a bedtime routine so you can meet your sleep goals. It even tracks your respiratory rate while you're sleeping. How refreshing. Charges in no time. The entire charging system for Apple Watch Series 7 has been rethought to get you up and running faster than ever. With an updated charging architecture and fast-charging USB-C cable, it takes about 45 minutes to go from 0 to 80% charge. Stay centered. Move ahead. Taking a moment throughout the day to pause and breathe can reduce stress. The new Reflect feature in the Mindfulness app helps you set an intention and center yourself with a beautiful animation. Massively motivating. Tap into dozens of workouts. Track all the ways you move. Advance your goals with Apple Fitness Plus. Apple Watch Series 7 gives it everything. Fitness that revolves around you. Squat, serve, stride, you name it. Apple Watch has a workout for it. And now, there are Tai Chi and Pilates to get your endorphins going. The starting line is on your wrist. Cycling finds a whole new gear. Apple Watch now automatically detects when you begin pedaling and reminds you to start a workout. Fall detection, now optimized for cycling and other workouts, can call emergency services if you take a spill. H2O. You're good to go. Apple Watch is water resistant to 50 meters. So whether you're in open water or tracking your splits and sets at the pool, you're covered. Motivation from start to finish line. Activity rings. Move, exercise, and stand. 3 rings that show all the ways you move throughout the day. Activity sharing. Share your activity rings with friends and family to encourage each other. Competitions. Invite friends to compete in a 7-day activity challenge. Music, podcasts, and audiobooks. With Apple Music, you've got 75 million tracks of musical motivation riding on your wrist. There are also podcasts and audiobooks to help you lose calories and yourself along the way. Apple Fitness Plus. The first fitness service powered by Apple Watch. Apple Fitness Plus is a different kind of fitness experience. There are new workouts every week, from 5 to 45 minutes, 11 workout types, including HIIT, strength, Pilates, and yoga, everything you need, everywhere you go. Just put on your Apple Watch and take off. Series 7 keeps all the things you care about front and center with its larger screen. The freedom of cellular. Take a call from the trail. Text a smiley face to your friends stuck in the office. Apple Watch with cellular gives you all the right connections. Feel free to leave your phone at home. Wallet keeps it all in one place. That's money. Unlock your door. Start your car. Board your plane. Pay for just about anything. Siri. An answer for life's big questions. What's the capital of Christmas Island? Where's the closest gas station? What's that song? Ask away. Siri can even translate foreign languages in real time. Maps. Your guiding hand. Whether you're walking, driving, cycling, or taking public transit, Maps makes it easy every step of the way. Your family, joined at the wrist. With Family Setup, you can use your iPhone to pair watches for your children or older adults who don't have their own iPhone. So everyone can stay in touch by phone or text message. Apps specifically designed to do everything. Watch faces that look just like you. 3 amazing materials, each singularly beautiful. An extreme level of craftsmanship was required to create a watch that's as stunning to look at as it is capable to use. Any case, any band, any style you want. Specifications. Brand. Apple. Operating system. Watch OS. Screen size. 41mm. Case material. Aluminum. Rate monitor. Music player. See more. Band color. Clover. Connectivity technology. GPS. Special feature. Activity tracker. Heart rate monitor. Sleep monitor. Blood oxygen. Water resistance level. Water resistant. What's in the box? Case, band, 1M magnetic charging cable.